Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic, the motivation to keep learning English. It can be tough sometimes, right? But with the right mindset and strategies, we can keep that fire burning. So, let's kick things off with 10 proven phrases that can help maintain your motivation.
That sounds really interesting. But what do you mean exactly by keeping the fire burning? Is it more about the mindset or the strategies?
First up, setting clear goals. Imagine standing at the base of a mountain and you see the peak. That visibility really helps you know where you're headed. It's essential for keeping your focus.
That's a great metaphor. So how do you set those clear goals? Do you write them down or something?
Absolutely. Writing them down is a great start. It's like putting a map in front of you. When you can see your goals on paper, they become more tangible. You might say something like, I want to be able to hold a 5-minute conversation in English.
Right, that sounds doable. But what if someone sets a goal but then, gets stuck and doesn't see progress? Laughs. That would totally freak me out.
That's a great question. Another key point is tracking your progress. It's like keeping a score in a game. When you can see the advancements you've made, it gives a huge boost to your motivation.
Oh, I see. When you keep a language journal? That sounds super helpful.
Exactly. Writing in a language journal helps you reflect on your journey, and every entry is a little win.
Speaking of wins, what do you celebrate? Do you have a ritual when you hit those small milestones?
Absolutely. Celebrating those little achievements is crucial. It could be as simple as treating yourself to your favorite snack, or binge-watching a few episodes of a show in English. The important part is to acknowledge your progress.
Snacks and Netflix. Count me in. Now, you mentioned watching your favorite English shows. Does that really help? I get super distracted sometimes.
Oh, definitely. It makes learning fun. Laughing along with characters, picking up new phrases. It's immersive. When you're entertained, it doesn't feel like studying at all.
So what kind of shows do you suggest? Not everyone's into the same thing, right? What if I hate, rom-coms? Laughs.
Great point. If rom-coms aren't your thing, try comedies or documentaries, something that sparks your interest. It's all about finding what excites you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here.
That makes sense. So let's say someone has a learning buddy, like a language exchange partner. How does that fit into the motivational puzzle?
Language exchange partners are fantastic. They provide a sense of accountability and a platform to practice in a low-stress environment. It's like having a gym buddy, someone to cheer you on.
Haha, I love that analogy. So, have you ever had a language partner who just, totally inspired you or surprised you in some way? Laughs.
Absolutely. I had a partner who was super passionate about hiking, and he could talk about it for hours. I learned all these fascinating vocabulary words related to nature and adventure. It made our sessions not just educational, but thrilling.
Whoa, that sounds amazing. Okay, so just to circle back to keeping motivation high, you mentioned mental tricks. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes. One technique is rewarding yourself after accomplishments. Say you set a goal to learn 10 new words. Once you do, treat yourself to something special. It reinforces positive behavior.
Wow, I should try that. Also, do you think joining online communities actually helps? I've heard mixed things on that,
Definitely. Joining a community can significantly enhance accountability and provide a support system. When you see others making progress, it can fuel your own motivation. Everyone's on the same journey together.
That's super encouraging. So, to wrap this up, what's the key takeaway for our listeners to keep that learning motivation thriving? Laughs.
The key takeaway is to personalize your learning experience. Set goals, track progress, celebrate wins, and find what excites you. Envision your future achievements. That imagination can be a powerful motivator.
I love it. Thanks for sharing all of these incredible insights. And to everyone out there, remember to stay curious and keep learning. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.